But we got to get to cover.
Yeah, that's probably not the best idea.
That was hot.
Oh.
Okay, wait. Let's just examine this for a second. That's a nice pistol, sir.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
Right
there you go. Wait.
It's a little bit loose in the goose.
Yeah, I can see that.
Male prostitutes.
Dude, that's like, they should patent pending that, dude. That's a pistol bayonet, dude. Alright, who wants to try to move up to a tree? Want to do like Rochambeau?
I mean, I could. I'm kind of.
I'll Rochambeau with Josh. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, basically. You ready?
Yeah, I know.
Best 2 out of 3?
We're moving up to what tree?
That big, thick tree right in front of me. Alright, ready?
Oh,
Rochambeau. Rochambeau. Damn. Rochambeau. Yes! Rochambeau. 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 Come on! Oh my god! This is bull crap! I'm done! One more.
wait, what? Okay.
One more. I'm done. I quit.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to
Screw it. I'm running.
Oh my god!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Okay. I carry him if you want to go heavy.
This should be dragging.
Oh, fuck that. Alright, try not to fall, stupid. Oh.
On 3, give me cover fire. Ready? 1, 2, 3. If there's a spider in here, I'm going to flip out. I did not. Wait, something's crawling down my shoulder. Oh god, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Oh, we need Airsoft! I thought I filled that mag. I guess not. We need Airsoft!
Alright guys, that'll about wrap it up for our how-to video on how to spray paint a helmet with snakeskin. If you enjoyed, please sure to click that button. Gotta do it again. Got that words.
Tactic pan. Dude, try and get a camo.
Tactic camo.
I want some tactic
I
camo.
blend in. This leaf is bothering me.
Dude, and it's completely free. It's like North Korea's supreme camo.
Alright. Keep it. It depends on how much. Depends on the shell and depends on how much gas you put in it. But like, I could easily hit that truck from here.
And it would spread like crazy.
Yeah, it's like a shotgun effect.
I think that's an ant.
Alright.
Yep. Right about there will be good.
Matt, flashlight. You're shooting at that anthill that we're sitting in.
Yep.
It's gonna hurt a lot.
Oh, it won't. I promise it won't.
Nah.
That's good right there.
No balls. I don't want
No, dude, it won't hurt. I promise.
this mound looks lucky.
What? I'm telling you right now, you're out a little far. Alright, keep the light on him.
You said you can hit the car.
I can't. I have to arc it. You won't even feel it. The BBs won't even get to you.
That's a freaking tank.
Alright. Alright, you ready?
Go left first. Go left first.
No. It's my eyes.
I hear you guys planning something.
I have that on camera. I am very happy now.
Fuck you.
Yeah, there's a little dip right there. You're right there, Daniel.
Oh, special gift.
Beautiful.
Christmas.
I like them.
I love gifts.
I like Christmas.
Does it have tits?
Oh.
It's got 4 tits.
Oh.
Even better.
I'm starting to get worried.
Just go with
Nick,
it.
you can look, but that's it.
Why?
Your mother would not approve. No, and
Or your
Marie would not
girlfriend.
approve.
It's not like it's on. It is on camera. Never mind.
I'll be sure that goes up.
Give that tail reel. Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
You'll start the camera, right? Alright, you guys can
Stop.
Oh,
We're surrounded by tactical cows. Hey, come on, right here. You good?
Yeah, that's nice, dude.
Sure, we're Bravo Squad, but I could be mistaken. We just linked up with them. Mr. Romines, why is the car on its side? Was that Asian driver? Was it woman driver?
No turn signal.
No turn signal. Mr. Tyler, it was a Ford. He did not deserve the fate. Mr. Tyler, it looked like a quality vehicle.
I bet it was a really good one, too.
Mr. Tyler, shall we say a few words for the Ford?
It was found dead. There is no road, but it was found dead.
Okay. We're breaking out El Chapadero. Say hello to my little friend.
What are you people doing?
Fire!
Fuck. Hold your position.
I'm not saying we should stop throwing the incendiary grenades, but we should stop throwing